friends, it's windy and it's just about 0, freezing. So, leaves blowing across the yard. Trying out my new boots. This should be alright. They feel a little loose in places, but at the toe they feel like the leaves blowing. They feel a little tight. I don't know if they're going to stretch. I hope so. Anyway, I got them on. They showed pinker than that on the picture. But anyway, here we go. Should I throw in some of these pieces of wood before I go up to the house? Or go up to the house first? I should go up to the house first because put some wood in the fire. See if I can catch the fire. Oh, no way I'm going to be throwing wood on there. It looks like a swimming pool. He's going to bring the black truck down in the morning. Oh no, I couldn't unlock it the other day either. I had to bang on the door and Richard opened it from the inside. Key won't turn. Oh. I got it, friends. I got it. Let's get in here. Let's see what the little girl's doing today. No, you're not getting that Christmas blanket. It's not yours. You better think again. Oh, I forgot the sheets. I forgot to bring the sheets. Oh, for heaven's sakes. She come off the chair and laid down here beside me. I was taking my boots off. Here's a show and tell, friends. It's Friday. This here little piece of kit is like, Dad made this. How's that? How's that, friends? Now I put my slipper on with the other hand. Okay, that's one boot off. These boots, well, they wouldn't be hard to get off, I don't think, but I was just demonstrating this morning. Demonstrating this morning. Yeah, there's my new boots. There's Callie girl. Let's check the fire. She's laying down there, sprawled. Take the sunglasses off, I can see better. Oh, they fell on the floor. Oh well. Feel heat, so open the draft. Ooh, look at there. Put the fan on right off because I smell smoke already, so yeah, I had to go and get some kindling. The box is almost empty. Just got a few crumbs, but it should be enough to catch it, so. There we go. They'll catch. Friends, look at her. Oh my goodness. I didn't get over it all yesterday because we were so busy with the fridge and then going to Liverpool for my phone and then having to go to Bridgewater for my phone. Yeah. Yeah, so good girl. 10 o'clock. He left the tree lights on for me again. For us. What's the matter, girlie? I had this on pause when I was showing. I said it's taken off. And I had the door open and I said, I used to appreciate other people doing a wood fire when I didn't have one. Anything to do with one. It's taken off good. Ooh. It's warm in here, so I'll just... Meow. Come on. Good girl. Mom's making tea. It's not Tea Tuesday. So I'll have green. Yesterday I had a black and it was not Tea Tuesday either, so. Oh, you're so close to the camera. You're too close to the camera, girlie. I don't know where you got this green flashlight from over here, but we do have a bunch of flashlights. That's for sure. Now, okay, I got the snowman tea mug. Where did he tell me? Where am I oh, my Heaven's Friends. We got 2 packages of stringless snap peas yesterday. $7 each. I know. Oh, goodness. It's got to be just a treat because there's no way you can afford that, like, ongoing. Right? Right. Okay, so... let's get my chores done. He just slept between this last night because he didn't get the blanket and I didn't get the blanket. So I'll just put this on because it's pretty. It's old, but it's pretty. Yeah. My oldest daughter gave it to me many years ago. I could never use it because of the smell of the material. Yeah. Every time I'm washing it, yeah. And heaven forbid I ever put it in the dryer because dryer's like, to me, is like putting an iron on polyester material. Yeah. That's bad. If you ever smelt that smell, probably it doesn't bother you guys, but... there you go. No, I was going to put this Christmas one on here. That's what I had the big discussion with him about. Was this Christmas one I made is going on this bed. This sofa. This big Christmas one here I made. I put a lot of work and money into this. Money for the yarn. I don't know how much it cost, but for the yarn, but it was a lot. I know that. It was a lot of skeins to make this. Skeins of the, what do you call it? The variegated green, white, and red variegated. So this is, yeah. This is the covering that this is going to be on here for until probably January the 6th when I take down Christmas. That's when I take down Christmas, January the 6th. I don't have any Christmas cushions, so it'll have to be just the same cushions. Well, I have that one, but that decorates over there. Where's the thing? Oh, I wasn't even shining it at myself, fixing that, but you can hear me talking, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So, let's have a look. How do you like that, friends? Oh, it's crooked. Oh, well. I'll get it straight tomorrow. There's the Christmas tree. I haven't been here at night yet. Whoa! A TV with a remote. Does it actually work? Is it plugged in? I don't think. He must have just got it and brought it over. Or maybe... Yeah, it is plugged in. Oh, the water. Did I boil it? No. Oh, friends, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. What did Dad do last night? He came and he brought a TV. It was from his mom. But I guess it doesn't turn on. Maybe the battery's dead. Where's the battery checker? That's over to the trailer. No. It's got a USB port, but I don't see a HDMI port. Maybe it's on this side. There's a whole bunch of buttons over here. And there's a CD player you can put in the... Oh! Yeah, it must have an HDMI. Because look, it come up on the screen. No signal. No, there's no signal here. He's going to hook... well, he was going to hook that up to it, but it's got a DVD thing, so... Should I try it now, or should I wait for him? I'll wait for him. We'll wait for Dad, won't we? Yeah. Oh, we moved my charger. This box must be from oh yeah, boy. Smelly. Coming over that. Smelly. I don't know where it came from. But I know I used to get sick at times. I'm going to put that in the hall here because I can't see that. Can't have that in the room with me. There's a razor there that must have been his dad's. Oh, here's an extension cord. Oh, I hear the kettle starting. Yeah, I'm going to plug this in back of the sofa. If I can reach back there. There is a power bar back here and an outlet. There's already something plugged in it. It must be this lamp. Yeah, there. There. I got it back up on the windowsill where I had it originally. When I first 4 years ago when we were setting up over here. Now I got a charge block. No, that's not for you. She talked to it though. So, whoops, I almost stepped on her tail. Aw, poor girl. What Mom do? I'm going to plug the charge block into the extension cord. Then I'm going to plug this into that. And then, oh, I got to take the phone out of here and lay it on that thing, but I can't video you while I'm doing it, I don't think. I don't know. There it is there. It'll make a noise if it starts to charge. Yeah, it is. It just told me it was 85%. So, okay. That is just cool. How cool is that, friends? Very cool. Very, very, very cool. Oh, he had a kettle. Alright, so that will stay in here. And I can charge my phone on it. If I ever get my phone back and it ever not... the guy that sold me the phone said if you have to send it back the 3rd time, then they replace it. But I said to the guy yesterday in Liverpool, I said, how would I ever know if this is my phone or not? You can't just tell by looking, and they reset it, so you can't tell. And he went inside of it, and he took this number and wrote it down for me. And, yeah. So I can go into the phone, and I can look for that number. And so I'll know. Yeah. All right, now what are we going to do? Yeah. Okay. Now Mom's going to put the water in for real. I already got some cold in it. But fill it to the top. And hope it steeps. And yeah. Yeah, that TV. So we got this other little TV. It's good enough for the DVD player. We had it upstairs in one of the rooms for that first winter when the kids were all coming. But then COVID, the pandemic hit, and that was the end. Yeah, that was the end. You say no to one of them, and they all don't speak to you anymore, so the whole group of them. Daughter, 2 granddaughters, great-granddaughter, sister. So, anyway. Well, that's enough of that. Yeah, okay, friends, that's enough of that. Grumbling about that. I don't let it get me down, because well, I just don't. 5 years ago, I might have. Tea is perfect. I'll sit it now. I can't film, and I picked up this, and she made the kitty noise talking to it. So, yeah, I can't video and edit at the same time with one phone, so. I got 2 to publish, or 1 to publish. Yesterday's Vlogmas 8. Oh, I gotta go over and mark the calendar, because today's the 9th. My nephew's birthday. Happy birthday, nephew. He don't watch. I don't think anybody watches this. My sister in Ontario might once in a while. Sometimes she clicks like or something, but... Okay, let's go over and do this then. I love this here coffee table. Oh, look, he put another chalk in, so there's a chalk coming out of both sides. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gracious. Where is it? Oh, there it is, the 8. It's hard to hold this and do this at the same time. 9. There we go. I'll say hi to him on, happy birthday on, Facebook. All right. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go. Mom left the bird and the bell there on the blind. So my daughter put that on there. It actually was one of those angels that you light up, and it didn't work anymore. So she took the guts out of it and put it on the top of the tree, and it worked. Where's the other Christmas stuff? I think there must be a mouse. She's been like that for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes now. Oh. I'm going to squeeze the last out of my tea bag there, and it's starting to chill off a little bit in here, but I'm getting ready to go home in a few minutes, so it's not much sense in putting more wood in, because he wouldn't. I don't think he would. He would just do it when he comes home from work, because he'll be straight home from work today. I'm pretty sure. What a beautiful girl. You want to play? Did you hear her talk to it? You want to play? She's over here snuffing it and snuffing my hand. No, you can't move the camera. Oh boy. Can't move the camera. You just want your head scratched? Get down. She loves it. You love it? Yeah, she loves it. No biting. No biting, please. I taped up my thing this morning, my tripod. I didn't put a splint on it, but if it comes undone, I'll put a splint. I was too lazy to look for a toothpick. Here. There you go. She lets me walk over and everything. He's got a staple puller here, but... Oh yeah, of course you remember, what did I do with that stapler? He saw it somewheres. Oh, where the battery checker is. Yeah. It's where the battery checker is. Now I just gotta find that. No, I know exactly where it is. No. No. I hope you can see. Can they see, friends? Can you see? No. Good girl. Good girl. You love it. She's purring. She's purring, ain't ya? I don't feel like sweeping today. I got a lot to do when I go home. I gotta clean, wipe out the fridge, the new fridge, and put that stuff back in. Water froze in the bottom last night, but not in the top. So there's something wrong with the fridge thermometer. So I'll have to get a. Not often Mommy has a kitty rubbing up against her legs anymore. Yeah. No, the other two don't do that much. No. Yeah. You're such a good girl. We love you so much. We're so lucky. Whoops. We're so lucky. We're so lucky to be your adopted parents. Yes, we are. She likes this here. Sometimes. She threw it up on a coffee table once. Richard said. Yeah, so let's have a sip of tea again. Yeah, it is. It's cooling off in here. But, yeah. Yeah, it's almost out. It's almost like wasting wood. There, I got that tight. It's almost like wasting wood, yeah, because nobody's going to be here. She's got her fur coat on, so it's not going to bother her any. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be throwing a little... No, I can't throw the wood on that truck because it's got a whole bunch of water on it. Yeah, so we can peek in the shed, though. Didn't take the tea bag out, and the string from the tea bag just got in my mouth. That was weird. That was weird, little Cali girl. Mm-hmm. She's looking right up at me. What a good girl. What a good girl. Can I see you? Yeah. Yeah, I can see you. Now can I see myself? On the Christmas one that I made. I love doing these, don't get me wrong. If I would have thought yesterday, I would have got a couple skeins of this from Walmart, and I would have, darn, I would have crocheted something, a cushion cover to match over here. Darn, I don't know if I have any or not. Over the home. Well, they're both over home. Yeah. They're both our homes. And we live in both of them. Yeah, we live in both of them. And we're quite comfortable. Yeah, so I'll probably turn that fan off now. Yeah, we were talking about satellite TV last night, but over there it's $40 a month for just a handful of channels, and he said no, he doesn't care about, because it's $60 a month I think now for the smallest package. So he said never mind. He doesn't watch TV that much. He's got a bunch of movies here. He doesn't care. Yeah. I would like to have internet over here though, but I have to call and see if they... Yeah, call and see if they, yeah, because we used to do that at the store closed up in Shelburne too. Yeah, Yeah, so, anyway. That's our story, and we're sticking to it, aren't we, Callie, too? Aren't we, Callie, too? Yeah. I suppose I should get ready, start getting ready. Take me 5 minutes to get all that gear on. Yeah, so... Oh. Yeah, it's chillier out here. What's that rattling? Oh, it's the thing on the other side of the door rattling. This. But yeah, I gotta go home and do that fridge. I'll probably eat first and lay down, and then, because I was awake in the night again. The night before that, I only had 4 hours sleep, so, yeah. I think that's what I'll do. I can just work at the fridge, just a little bit here and a little bit there. Yeah. I got 2 videos. Well, one was already edited. I just had to export it, and then it's uploading now. Then I'll publish it sometime this afternoon. Sometime this afternoon, yeah. Got a lot of... There's the little measuring thing. This was Richard's uncle's, and we got it, so. I'll put it in the porch here. Oh yeah, okay. I got my water bottle. Oh, I gotta figure out how to set that trap. I saw the squirrel last night out in the back room when I went out there. Yeah, I saw it. So, I'm gonna take it. What happened to my other? Oh, there you are. Ha! Oh well. Oh, I gotta do boots. Get unready with me. Get ready with me. Ha! Yeah, these boots smell. I can smell them. Yeah, so. I put that bracelet on my... Well, that day that my daughter brought me back the bracelet, it wouldn't fit on my ankle. But now this last night it fit on my ankle. So I guess there's another non-scale victory. Yeah. Tie in my boots. My pretty new boots. Yeah, they're very smelly. Very, very. Okay. See, it's a lot to get. Oh, I didn't drink the rest of my tea. Oh, okay. Oh, gee. I'll set it on the counter over here. I'll add some to it tomorrow. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Okay. Take the thermos. There's the live trap. Yeah, I gotta bring it. Okay, Callie. All right, Mama, see you tomorrow. You be a good girl. Dad'll be home soon. Yeah. Well, 5 hours. You can sleep until he gets back. Good girl. Oh, dropped the thermos. I guess I don't have enough hands after all. And now I gotta... It's very slippery. Now I dropped the pen thing. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I remembered how to open the door at least. Yeah, that bracelet is digging into my ankle. That's what I started to tell that story for. Yeah. I didn't get the compost out. And we didn't. So, yeah. We're gonna take a peek in here. Oh, there's a gas can in here. I wouldn't be able to be in here anyway. I'll chunk them up and put them in the wood box another day. It almost feels like, yeah, there is. There's some kind of moisture in the water, in the air here. I wonder if he remembers he put these here. I'll take them over. These boots sure are not like my old ones that I had for 20 years. Yeah. They were my old faithfuls. Yeah. Yeah. Something in the air. Here comes Mama. Don't be afraid. Here I am. Chilly. Chilly out there. Yeah. Thought I had it on pause. It wouldn't surprise me, right, friends? Get in there. Why do I have a problem with keys? Because I had it backwards. Hokey dokey. I gotta figure out how to do this trap. Yeah. Hi, Missy. Hi, Callie. Here we are. I'm not gonna make you watch me get unready again. What are you two doing? What are you two girls doing? Oh, a new fridge. Yeah. What time is it? 11:30. What cloth will I use to wash the inside of the fridge with? Just washing my bowl. Didn't get washed last night. Yeah. This old girl was tired. Didn't keep me from waking up in the night for a couple hours though. Yeah, so I'm going to eat and then I'm going to lay down. I might, wipe out the inside here of the fridge. I just put my bottles up on top. They were always up on top there. Yeah. Put a couple magnets on over the other side. There's I got a mirror here I'm going to put on. Just in case I need to check something on my way out from the hall. Oh, Missy moved. Okay. She moved. So these boots, I guess I'm going to keep them. I wore them outdoors, so I got to keep them now. Don't I, girls? Yeah. So, what's the matter, Callie? Why are your ears like that? I think this came from... Oh, I thought it came from somewhere else. This is Mississauga, Ontario. Yeah. So, I'll put this out in the porch. I got a couple of Christmas cards we do. Stuff from places they want you to borrow money and diamond days. No, I can't buy a real diamond. Johnny Cash wrote and sang, I'm just an old chunk of coal, but I'll be a diamond someday. Yeah, when we get to Glory Land. Whoops, sorry. Oh, my heavens, I scared her. No wonder with this voice, huh? No wonder with this voice, friends. What are you going to do now? Yeah, I'm not on the sofa, so. I got these here. I'm going to put them in the bathroom. I always open them in the bathroom because I don't go in there and spend a long amount of time, so the smell can stay in there, so yeah. I already did the top shelf, and then I thought, well, I'll put the camera on. I'm just wiping down the shelves here and the inside of the fridge. It says, the fridge thermometer says it's way back down to past freezing, so there must be something wrong with it, because it's not. I put water in there last night and it did not freeze, so it would freeze at 0. So, and food zone is supposed to be there, so I'm going to have to get a new one of these. Yeah, because that is not right. Just needs a quick wipe down because, well, it's new. What was that? Oh, gee. There's some kind of a dial on the back there. I didn't know it was there, and I just pushed it over. I'll have to look in the book. Ha! Look in the book, yeah. Don't you just love it, friends? Oh, I just love it. Love, love, love. $7, yeah. Hopefully I'll do better at, here's my, this was $6, $1.67 a pound, this purple. Oh, the fridge door is open too long. It's okay. It's only me. Yeah, it was $5 and something, this. The day before, he paid $24 for 6 big sweet potatoes. We got 5 big sweet potatoes here for $10.54. That's the difference between Shelburne, and this was at Walmart. Hello? It's me. I'm here. I'm doing it on purpose. Oh, okay. I'll close the door for a second. I don't know how long that alarm will ring, but... Okay. 2 hands. 2 hands to get this one. They got dirt in my thing already, those sweet potatoes. Those darn sweet potatoes. But I love them. Don't get me wrong, I love them. Yeah. Not often you guys see me clean, so I'm a secret cleaner when I clean. Ha! There, that's... I wonder if I should put paper towel on those so that it would keep them clean, and because they're glass and I don't want anything to break. Yeah, so maybe I'll do that. These go in the crisper. I should break them open and eat some. $7. Oh. Oh. You don't ever want them to go bad. Goodness. All right. Oh. All right, okay. Give me a chance to clean and organize. See, he's a boy. Haven't had any probably for a year. It is a family pack. Let's do the freezer. I love it. I love it, friends. I'll show you. Just haul this out. There's a big tub there. And a slide out here. So, that's what I'm going to be washing now. Oh, it's frozen here. Silly me. I should have did it before I put the... There's a light in this one too. Oh my goodness, I love it. There's a light in my other one too on the bottom. That's really slippery. It's not cleaning. Here's the water that froze in there overnight. Yeah. So, how exciting was that? I'm going to go bring some fruit and vegetables in from the back freezer. Oh, golly, friends. This is hard. I found a bag of, I think it's squash. I'm going to keep that out and thaw that up. Yeah. Now, what am I going to put on the bottom and what am I going to put on the top layer? I wonder. Forgot how to open it. Duh. You only just got it yesterday. A couple pieces of bread to feed the ants. I got sesame seeds here, and I got beans. I don't know if I was supposed to freeze beans or not. My land. These is a couple bites of beets. I'm going to leave that out. This is coleslaw. And I found bottles of frozen, it must be frozen broth. I'll have to thaw that out and see too. And here's one of the packages of beans I packaged the other day. Cooked beans. I got another pan full. I think I'll put the fruit on the top. I don't know how much this is going to hold. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. That's good. This is going to be a long process, so you guys don't have to watch me do the whole thing. Yeah. Because, yeah, I'll just show you after I fill it. This is my brunch. In front of the computer, of course, watching YouTube or fiddling with mine. Oh yeah, I had 6 prunes for dessert. Missy didn't look impressed. Christmas cards in the bathroom because they smell. No kitties on the pillow. Okay, here I'm making a soup. 5 packages. And 8 cups of water. It wasn't finished for me to eat at supper time, so I ate those pickles and beets and that turnip and carrots. I had to microwave 2 potatoes, and that's them dumped in. And there it is, all mingled and married. Woohoo! I don't know why my boots are there in the middle of all this. There's the fridge, all done. is freezing bananas for banana ice cream. So I ate one and I froze 4. There they are in the freezer. Missy, she took Callie's spot. They change every once in a while. Oh, Callie, bless her little heart. Oh dear, friends, this is the longest one yet. Sorry. I'll see you in the next one, Lord willing. Friends, if you could just subscribe and hit the bell and give us a thumbs up, it would help us.